What's up, fellas? Today I'm going to show you uh, another use for the layout editor. So if you have like a big device that has a bunch of small props on it, like for example this. So I have it in camera view. You can see everything is set up in 3D. Well, let's say I want to go out to my front yard and I don't like the orientation of this part. Well, if I move it in my yard, then I have to remap everything, right? Well, no, I don't. So now from this top view, I can do this, and then that's selected. So now I can go to this view, hold down the right mouse button and drag.
It's morphin' time!
And it may tilt, so you want to verify by going back to the camera view. Yeah, that looks pretty good. All right. So there's one. Then I can commit that and like it. But let's say that I've moved this tree also instead of just rotating it. So let's go to select. All right. So now I can go to this view, right click and drag to rotate like we did before. Or I can go to this view and I can right click and just move it. Put it where I want it, up higher, down low. It's a lot easier to manage if you go to the camera view and you're like looking down from above and you're like, that'll give you a better idea of where you're moving it. So now I can go to this view, right click and drag it. See, I want to put it over here. You know the balance for the yard? Okay, let's undo that. I need to look into this, but always make sure you release the left button first. Because if you release the right one first, it undoes what you're doing. All right, so now let's go back to camera view. Oh, it's a little low, but now I can just use the arrow keys to move it back where it belongs. Okay, no big deal. All right, now what else can we do? Okay, so we've showed movement and rotate. Well, I can also affect just the scaling. So you'll notice these two spiral trees. One of them looks smaller than the other, but that's because of the mapping angle. In fact, they're the same size. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unselect, and I'm going to select this little one. And then we are just going to go to this one. Oh, sorry. This one where scaling's highlighted. Hold down the right mouse button and use your scroll wheel. You just scroll it up that way. All right. Let's go back to camera view. And now they both are about the same size. But you'll notice they're squished in one direction. Well, that's not good. And which direction is it? This is still pointing forward. So they are squished in X. There we go. All right. So now I have fixed the scaling of that pretty much. And the other one I can do if I want. But anyway, this is just a quick demo of how to use that stuff. Pay no attention to these numbers. They don't do anything, and I'm getting rid of them. That's about it. In fact, they're going to be gone from the next release. Anyway, I hope that gives you guys ideas of how to use the layout editor. I just want to say be careful because two of the controls look the same but behave differently. Reminder that camera is just a viewpoint change, but if you're on this view where this stuff's highlighted, you are actually doing transforms. See how the arrow is no longer moving? So be careful about that. But if you do something accidentally, you can always Control Z, right? I've got 4,000 undos. All right. That's it for this video. John out.